Standard 9 Subject PT Lesson number 9 Running. Introductory. Walking, running, jumping, throwing, climbing, descending, sliding, etc. are the natural activity of human being. All these activities are born around human beings in one and another form, in different spans of time. Among these activities, running, jumping, throwing, etc. activities were given the forms of competition. In sports science, it is known as athletics. Regarding athletics activities, we shall get detailed information of running. 100-meter running, 200 meters, 400 meters running are included in short distance running or sprints. Skill of sprints or short distance running. There are 4 main stages of short distance running. These are also known as skills. They are: first is start, running strides, coasting and relaxed running, and fourth is finish. The first one is the start. The start means the beginning of the running race. To get victory in the running race, start plays a very important role. In the beginning of sprint, the standing start was commonly used by the runners. But due to development of the scientific theories in sport, a crouch start is started. The crouch start. The name crouch start has been used since two hands and the two legs remain in touch with the ground. Using a crouch start, a competitor gets the speed from the very beginning of the start. Depending on the physical stature, constitution of the bodies and the length of the legs of a runner, the crouch start is divided into three types: a bunch or a bullet start, medium start, elongated start. Let us take the information about the above three types of starts. The first one is bunch or bullet start. In short distance running or sprints, competitors generally prefer the crouch start in the world. In bunch start, on your mark, set, go. The position shown in the figure is the bunch start. In crouch start, on your mark, set, go position are used are as in the above figure. Set, some runners like to take medium start. The runners has to take three positions. That is, first is on your mark, second is set, and third is go. In all the crouch start, the following the instruction of a starter. The first instructor is on your mark. In the bullet or a bunch start, as soon as the command on your mark is heard, each runner places the toes of his strong leg on the starting block at a distance of 30 to 45. That the toes distance of 30 to 45 cm behind the starting line in his own lane. Then he places the toes of his free leg in such a way that the toes touch the ground, keeping a distance of 5 to 10 cm between the heel and the front part of the toes of his leg. In this position, the knee of the free leg is placed on the ground near the stronger leg in such a way that it is slightly ahead of the toes of a stronger leg. The sole of both the feet should touch firmly on the starting block as shown in the figure. After taking the sitting position as shown in the above figures, the runner places the fingers on both his hand to 1 to 2 cm behind the starting line. He will place his finger at a distance equal to the width of the shoulders. The weight of his body will be on his fingers. The fingers should not touch each other. The neck and the eyes sight should be in the direction of his lane in natural looking position. The second one is set. When the starter gives the command set, the runner leans a little forward and raises his buttocks. He keeps both his arms straight and leans forward. In short, he performs the forward and upward leaning action as shown in the figure. As this time his bottom part will be raised higher than his shoulder. The weight of the major part of the body will be on the front foot toes and on the both the hand. The eyes should be in the direction of his lane in natural looking position. The third point is go, a sound of clapper, gun or a pistol. For this action, instead of giving oral command, starter gives the order by using one of the above mentioned equipment, that is sound of a clapper, gun or a pistol. As soon as the runner hears the sound, he pushes her leg and bring it forward. He places it 45 to 60 cm away in front of the straight line. Along with the forward movement of his leg, he naturally brings his opposite arm forward and other arm backward. Both his arms are bent at the elbow and his fist loosely closed. The figure shows the various motion of the runner's body when he moves from the set position to the go position.